Wow. Ah! Woo! Why? Ah! My heart ready. Come in, Breeze. Mama lick her tongue on the glass. Ah, see ya. Boom, 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 boom! Haters, you can't get to Bambuckle down. YouTube, we're back in effect, you know. We're back. Right now the camera might look higher. It might set up a little different, but we still get a reaction to the people. I see me post a video just now. I gotta delete it. But I post a video, I couldn't do nothing, brother. My video is edited already, done. Not edited. Show me I try to edit the post and can't post. I don't talk about that. People, comment on this video to see your comment in my next video that I post. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you all are new. Regardless of anything that happens, we still gonna post a video every single day. Now right now we have Intence Dry Eye official video. You see me? The viewers them must say, yo, that need for react to right now. Woman day night, they must say girls them the night, so right now we have Intence Dry Eye. You don't know it's chopping us, so smash the like button and go see what I'm going for Intence. Right now, remember to comment on that video, yeah. We are trying 10,000 subscribers. Hold on, let me forget about that. We are going for 10,000 subscribers to aim. That's the goal for this year, which is 10K. So please consider subscribing to the channel if you all are new. Now we see what I'm going for Intence Dry Eye with fat pum pum girl them. Rachel. Wow. Ah! Woo! Why? Ready? Come in, Breeze. Mama lick her tongue on the glass. Ah, see ya? Yeah! Mama got get them outside. It's like a movie. Pumbucklet. It's like a movie. Girl, you was starting to show up. Baby girl, oh your wine's so groovy. Bumbucklet.
She said for take off my phone and video this a one ya.
Bumbucklet. Yo, what are they? And this bad man I want me react to today. And this the bad man them don't want me react to today. Mama, with the fat body. Bumbuck! The man said she said if you take out him phone, make him video that one. I'm going to see what go on, people. Run through, I'm not even chat too much right now.
Say she's so cocky that nothing she know I.
What he said? Bumbuck, man. Afro got a bag of things. Hold on, don't catch up for Afro, dog. That man has sweat on her ass. Sorry that the video just start, dog. Bumbuck, dog. Yo. John was star. You know, so that ketchup and already getting about. Don't pray that, you know, girl. Don't pray that. Run, John.
Nothing she know, I dad. Nothing she know.
Hold on.
Her friend can't give me a so she try.
Hold on. Get like a girl back in the background. That's how I see that a while ago. No, run back it video, man. Run back it video, Intence. Run back it video, no, man. Click when I bed. Alright.
Say she's so cocky that nothing she know.
Yeah. See there? See her there on the side. Watch her. Yeah, do it good. Oh, what the blood glitter go on. My heart no fuck. Oh, no, sorry, I forgot to turn on the AC for that one. I'm sorry. I can't. I'm also shaky. My heart. Alright. We might hear a little AC blow, but no, I'm hot. Ready now, run through.
I dad, nothing she know. I bring her friend, come give me a so she dry, yeah. So she dry, I dad.
So she dry.
She's a kid.
Baby, me see her. Me know you want me. Me know she want me see her. Baby, me see her. But why you breast them stay so though? Like, you know, them could have up little more, no babes. You understand me? You know what I mean? SCT, I breast them could have just little bit more. You see me turn on, man. Alright, run through.
You ever fuck who I should go out with last night? Everything freaky or fuck, that's your all our pride. Nothing she not like
and the girl, me not even meant to sing in a dog. And the bee that me a pray. Look at me in the background and that's like she right off body. What she there? If you think something I can put it on no. Come here, girl. Go on. Yeah. Alright. Watch her run this one. Look at her, man, a slow motion fist fight. Watch her out at the back. Boy, she ride off. We gotta look with a slow motion. Watch her, people, watch her. Why? She get away. Them think them get away. Them girl are gone. Run, June. Blood clot. Right, June.
She no like man, no tell lie. Nah, fuck it good, she want stop in her tribe. Yo, boom.
Yeah, so me not like no that. Them girl are going to back at things, you know. But you know, see, something going with me and Mash Rex, though. Mash Rex, she don't go out, she don't want to cock up her first. Why I like for this up? Why I put the bomb buckler here, man? I have to you. See, she hold up on the foot them. I'm not even messy song, I'm not even messy Intence. And the girl let me a breathe. Because right now, you see how I go on, see the light skin girl, she not no body. And me not hide and talk. Look at girl, they not no body. Me not hide and talk. I black here do it. Me know why. Go on, Terry, go on.
Boom, so lick a gal a real talk real. I end time a fuck a cocky peel off real. I saw me tabby out, I saw you eat.
Oi! She not have none, but she know if you use it. She not have none, but she know if you use it. Cause when she got some woman bend over, she arch it up in the air. Bomba clat! Bomba clat! Richard!
One more round gun, man, I beat her. Sorry for the brother way I call her sweeter.
Oh, look, I'm about to propose. All you are eat. I'm sorry for the brother way I call her sweeter. You know, so I don't mess the song, people. From the video start, I don't mess the song because them guys just say, you know what, Tyrekevlogs, we know say I go watch a video in the reaction boss. And I go to Saboom in the dog. And discuss Saboom in the dog. And go Saboom again. Jano Star. People want to like the video from the like the video. I want to subscribe to the channel from the subscribe yet. But man, which reaction not gonna stop today? I can't the bomb clock when I don't want to try to stop. I can't the when I don't want to stop, bad mind. Right, June?
Put up on her back as make sure rub her knees off. Oh God, oh my, oh Jesus.
Intence! Some very intense things is going on right here in this video, man. Intence! Some very intensifying things are going on here. With a now. Oh, girl. Yes, man. Right, June?
Dog, nothing she no hide. Nothing she no hide, dog. Nothing
She no hide.
Bring her friend, come give me her, so she dry eye. So she dry.
You know, sir, all of me here, the Intence say that. Me a dry eye. Me she not like. You know, sir, all of me make the song for real. All of I don't make the song. I'm still like music with the reaction, me. I do. But people want to think about. I think I also want to think about the song. I want to think about the video. The video got a bag of things right now. I want to think about the song too for the one who made the song already. But I forgot to make the song after I do my reaction. But I want to think about the video for real. The video go on, the video up there, the video on point. Run tune.
Yeah, dog, so she dry. Yeah. She said video every fuck crew she go on with last night.
No, that not gonna pass me, so. Come here, little girl. Come here. Why? Them tongue game here.
So she dry, yeah, dog.
Alright, you move on, catch your blood clot, yo. Oi. Go on, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Chabu. Blood clot. Chabu. Yo, more see BFI emoji in the comment section right now. You know, say all comment that already, you know. Anything at all, let's say if you're not good for say, brother, just comment some fire emoji by supporting your boy. So right now, you see me I say if you're not nothing for say, and you know if you comment, just comment some fire emoji right now in the comment section, dog. And if you comment already, you know so no 1 and 2 comment, 1, 3 and 4 and 5 comment. Run tune.
Every fuck crew she go on with last night.
She don't like.
Nothing she don't like man.
Them get out here, them tongue game. Them outside. Yo, I just say call outside and the girl them outside. Bad man, I which reaction you want to stop again? Yo, me not stop sitting in that video. Mate, you know long from last time I try to transfer the video to my phone, brother. And them try to say to my laptop, brother. And nothing now work. And I should not bun me, dog. John was starting them post a little bit.
No tell lie. Nah, fuck it good. She want stop in her tribe. So a long time she dream this.
You like this girl? Premiums? Hold on, me just hear something a while ago. Bumbleclad, that's how you remind me of Bumbleclad Alkaline, take a little time. But that's how listen to the song now. Remember something else to the song a while ago now. Things take a little time, nothing she don't like, nothing she don't like. Check back now. Do you are the realest? Me I see that thing there, man feel it. Listen to that flow into that come right now. Listen now.
No, vagina insert my penis.
Why?
So cool, she fuck girl, one of the realest.
Hey, Intence a go on so bad. That's plank up Blackie Batty, so. I plank up Blackie Batty, sir. But you know, insert my pick. What? Intence a deal with the road, sir. Hold on there, red tune.
She's so cool, she fuck girl, one of the realest.
Bow!
Afraid in the wall, and me I beat it.
That boy I move grimy with the thing down. I'm not lying. If I'm lying, I'm dying. And then the girls don't want to with them tongue game. I'm not like every day I go on a bag of things. John was star. Actually, I don't know my habits when I make the video, brother. You know from when me I try that. John was star. People want to think about the video. Want to think about the reaction too. Right, John?
A girl like this, me really love. All the top me a top, she what it top.
See there? All the top me a top, she a manage it. Somebody tell me what the fuck is this? Take a little time, things take a little time. You don't have to can bumbo clad tell me so listen remember now alkaline things take time. Check back now. Believe me, your body are the realest. Me hear you see the thing them and feel it. Oh, who can't believe I'm with this? Tell me so listen remember me at that. Real.
So what the fuck me for worry about? Call me down, say she so cocky that nothing she know I.
That's what Intence a go and draw Savage, you know that song yeah? Mr. Savage. I see that time for real to Savage at this Intence too now. Actually, I don't know so that I go. I have to go check out that after I'm done. But I just hopefully I get to edit that video and post it. I can't stop talking about it. Bad mind I can't bumbuckle, let's stop it. Run through Tyrekejt.
Nothing she know I dad, nothing she know I. Bring her friend come give me her, so she dry.
Something wrong with them thing. I don't hear the course again, but something I go on in that video, you know. Them girl let me feel so them actually there for true because them cannot stay in a character and them play the character so good and so nice. And that's time I go through the video. I don't hear the course again though. But I want to see what else I go on now. You have next verse, Panny?
Me now me deep laugh. One more round gun man I beat her. Sorry for the brother.
I'm here to read it to me. I don't hear that again. Wait.
Oh God, oh my God. Say she so cocky that nothing she.
Man, I have 2 years locked down. Yeah, I want to be like them and let me grow up in the dark. I have a bag of girl. Bumbuckle. Now I'm good with my little browning. I don't want so much girl. But generally, the video I go on that bag of chop. I say respect to the whole of the man them who send me, yo, brother, go check out the video. You see me, I say respect to the whole of them. Thanks to send me. You don't know the chop already. And thanks to everybody who support me in that little video I post a while ago. It's still up. Because I'm not sure if I get to post a video yet. But if I get to post a video, I know the chop already. I say respect to the whole of them. You don't know the chop. I'm finished with them talk.
Nothing she know I dad, nothing she know I. Bring her friend come give me her, so she dry. So she dry. Lie now.
How I go on? Oh, Bumbuckle, my boy try to get up and get a next round. Them so where I go? Round 3. Bumbuckle. Hey. Calm down the Bumbuckle, self Tyrekejt. See something a while ago, I'm not see now. How I go on? Hey, now pass me, sir.
One of the realest.
You do be that? The video have too much content tonight. Too much content. Hold on there. Too much content.
Don't give me her, so she dry.
Too much content. Me gone left wall on no. Me gone.